Hi, second graders. I'm so happy to be with you today. All right, today we're going to talk about the suffix when you add s and es onto the end of the word. And we've also got something else. So let's get started. Here we go. Okay, today we're going to talk about the suffix s and es. And remember, suffixes go where? Yes, they go on the end of the word, don't they? So s and es. S says s, es says es. So if you see these suffixes, you want to add the suffix es right here. Es, if the word ends in s, sh, ch, x, or z. If the word ends in anything else, any other thing than any of those letters up there, you want to just add the s. So I have an example for you, and then we'll get started here. If it ends in any other letter, you just add the s. If it's the s, sh, ch, x, or z, you add the es. So I have my word latch right here. What does this end in? Yes, it ends in ch. So you know that if it ends in ch, I have to add the es to make my word latches. Latches. Okay, let's look at this word. Pen. So what does it end in? Yes, it ends in an N, doesn't it? So I don't have to add the es. All I can add is just the s to make it pens. This one is latches. This one is pens. So if it ends in an s, sh, ch, x, or s, or I'm sorry, not s, sh, ch, x, or z, you have to add the es. If it ends in any other letter, all you have to do is add the s. So on my board here, I have some words for us. I have two columns here. I have my s column and I have my es column. And I want you to see if you can read all these words. Are you ready? We'll go down the columns. First, we'll start with the ones that end in the suffix s. Here we go. Get ready. Word. Yes sings. Get ready. Word. Yes stops. Get ready. Word. Yes parks. Get ready. Word. Yes mends. All of these end in the s. They don't end in those special letter ones, so we can just add the s. Okay. Now, in this one, I want you to tell me what letter and why we had to use the s and the es together, and I just couldn't put the s. So tell me, why did I have to put es? Because what does it end in? What's my base word? My base word is search. You're right. And what does it end in? It ends in the ch. So I know that I have to add the es. So this makes this word searches. What word? Searches. Yes, searches. Okay, next one. What does it end in? Okay, so it hopes. Now, this one. Should this one be over here or should it be over here? Because what's my base word? Hope. You're right. So what does this end in? It ends in just the s. Oh my, I tried to trick you and I couldn't. You guys are so good. All right, here's my base word. Reach. There's my base word. What does it end in? Yes, it ends in ch, so I know I have to add the es. The word is reaches. Very good. Next word. Dish. What is my base word? Right there, we underlined it. What does it end in? sh, so I have to add es. Very good. So es, remember, you add es when it ends in s, sh, ch, x, or z. If it ends in any other letter, all you have to add is just that s. All right, friends, I will tell you about your challenge here in a little bit, but I have one more thing that I want to talk to you about today. I want to talk to you about using context clues. Context clues are clues that the good readers use to find the meaning of unknown words. So when you're reading that story and you don't know what a word is, you're using your context clues to help you figure it out. Okay? It can be directly after the word or before the word called in a previous sentence or in the next sentence. You're going to look for prefixes, suffixes, or root words, which we just did with the ES and the S. That can help you. You're going to think about, what part of speech is it? Is it adjective, adverb, pronoun, noun, verb? Okay, what is it? And then, is it a positive or a negative word? So an example that I have here is definitions. One of them, the trek or journey was hard. So here's the word that we didn't know. We didn't know what trek was. Well, I kept reading my sentence. The trek, or what does it tell me? Journey. Yes, so I know that a trek is a journey, and that was hard. So when you're reading, look around, use those good clues to find the meaning of those words. All right, friends, now for your challenge today, I'm going to write a few words on my paper here, and I want you to tell me, what do they end in? Do they end in ES, or do they end in just the S? All right, let me pull it up here. Okay, now remember, what are your rules? If it ends in ends in ES, it has to have the S, SH, CH, X, or Z. All right, I'm going to write a couple words. Are you ready? Here we go. And you see if you can figure out what to put on the ends of these. The first one is book. What do I put on the end of that book? S or ES? Next one. Peach. What do I put on the end of that one? Next one. Oops, I almost gave you the answer on that one. Box. And another one, let's do this one. Coat. Okay, friends, can you figure out what goes on the end of those words? S or ES? Until next time, bye.